According to the 2020 National Electrical Code, a receptacle is required on every countertop surface that is 12 inches or wider and 24 inches or longer. A 42-inch countertop with a sink meets the criteria for requiring a receptacle. Therefore, a receptacle installation is required even if it is smaller than preferred due to building code restrictions. There are a few exceptions to the receptacle requirement. Firstly, countertop surfaces used solely for appliances or other non-portable equipment are exempt. Secondly, countertop surfaces in mobile homes, recreational vehicles, or other temporary structures are also exempt. However, neither of these exceptions apply to the situation described. Based on the National Electrical Code requirements, it is necessary to install a receptacle on a 42-inch countertop with a sink. The National Electrical Code, often abbreviated as NEC, is a widely adopted standard for the safe installation of electrical wiring and equipment in the United States. It is published by the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, and is updated every 3 years to reflect advancements in technology and safety practices. The NEC provides comprehensive guidelines for electrical installations, covering a wide range of topics from wiring methods and overcurrent protection to grounding and equipment installation. The purpose of the NEC is to protect people and property from electrical hazards. It sets minimum safety standards for electrical installations, ensuring that they are designed and installed in a manner that minimizes the risk of fire, electric shock, and other electrical hazards. Compliance with the NEC is often required by law, and electrical inspectors use it as a basis for evaluating the safety of electrical installations. The NEC covers a wide range of electrical installations, including residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. It addresses various aspects of electrical systems, such as wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. The code also includes specific requirements for different types of occupancies and equipment, such as healthcare facilities, hazardous locations, and swimming pools. The NEC is organized into chapters, articles, and sections, each addressing a specific topic or aspect of electrical installations. The code uses a numbering system to identify each section, making it easier to locate specific requirements. For example, NEC Section 210.52 addresses the requirements for receptacle outlets in dwelling units. The NEC is constantly evolving to keep pace with advancements in technology and changes in safety practices. The NFPA updates the NEC every 3 years, incorporating new requirements and revisions based on input from industry experts, code officials, and other stakeholders. The revision process involves extensive research, testing, and public comment periods to ensure that the code reflects the latest knowledge and best practices. The NEC is not a design manual, and it does not provide detailed instructions on how to design electrical systems. Instead, it sets minimum safety standards that must be met during the design and installation process. Electrical engineers and contractors are responsible for ensuring that electrical systems comply with the NEC and other applicable codes and standards. The NEC is widely adopted throughout the United States, and many states and local jurisdictions have incorporated it into their building codes. Compliance with the NEC is often required by law, and electrical inspectors use it as a basis for evaluating the safety of electrical installations. In addition to the NEC, there are other codes and standards that may apply to electrical installations. These include state and local building codes, as well as standards developed by organizations such as the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, or IEE, and the American National Standards Institute, or ANSI. It is important to be familiar with all applicable codes and standards when designing and installing electrical systems. Receptacle requirements for countertops are addressed in NEC Section 210.52. This section specifies the number and location of receptacle outlets that are required in dwelling units, including kitchen countertops. The NEC requires that receptacle outlets be installed along countertop surfaces so that no point along the countertop is more than 24 inches from a receptacle outlet. This requirement is intended to ensure that occupants have convenient access to electrical power for appliances and other devices. The NEC also specifies the spacing requirements for receptacle outlets along countertop surfaces. The code requires that receptacle outlets be installed so that no countertop space is more than 12 inches wide without a receptacle outlet. This requirement is intended to prevent occupants from having to use extension cords or other unsafe wiring methods to power appliances. In addition to the spacing requirements, the NEC also specifies the type of receptacle outlets that are required along countertop surfaces. The code requires that receptacle outlets installed within 6 feet of a sink or water source be ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protected. GFCI protection is intended to prevent electric shock hazards in wet locations. The NEC also includes specific requirements for receptacle outlets installed in island and peninsula countertops. The code requires that island and peninsula countertops with a lawn dimension of 24 inches or greater have at least one receptacle outlet. This requirement is intended to ensure that occupants have access to electrical power for appliances and other devices used on island and peninsula countertops. In addition to the requirements for receptacle outlets along countertop surfaces, the NEC also includes requirements for receptacle outlets in other areas of dwelling units. The code requires that receptacle outlets be installed in every habitable room, as well as in hallways, stairways, and outdoor areas. These requirements are intended to ensure that occupants have convenient access to electrical power throughout the dwelling unit. The NEC also includes requirements for the height of receptacle outlets. The code requires that receptacle outlets be installed at a height of at least 12 inches above the floor. This requirement is intended to prevent occupants from having to bend over to plug in appliances and other devices. The NEC is a complex and comprehensive code that covers a wide range of electrical installations. It is important to be familiar with all applicable requirements when designing and installing electrical systems. Compliance with the NEC is essential to ensure the safety of people and property from electrical hazards. The statement indicates that a 42-inch countertop with a sink meets the criteria for requiring a receptacle. This is based on the NEC requirements for countertop receptacles, which specify that receptacle outlets must be installed along countertop surfaces so that no point along the countertop is more than 24 inches from a receptacle outlet. Since a 42-inch countertop is wider than 24 inches, it meets the criteria for requiring a receptacle outlet. The statement also indicates that there are few exceptions to the receptacle requirement. Firstly, countertop surfaces used solely for appliances or other non-portable equipment are exempt. This exception is intended to allow for situations where a countertop surface is specifically designed for a particular appliance and does not need to be used for other purposes. Secondly, countertop surfaces in mobile homes, recreational vehicles, or other temporary structures are also exempt. This exception is intended to address the unique electrical requirements of these types of structures. However, the statement indicates that neither of these exceptions applies to the situation described. This means that the 42-inch countertop with a sink does not qualify for either of the exceptions and is therefore required to have a receptacle outlet installed. The conclusion of the statement is that, based on the NEC requirements, it is necessary to install a receptacle on a 42-inch countertop with a sink. This conclusion is based on the fact that the countertop meets the criteria for requiring a receptacle outlet and does not qualify for any of the exceptions. Therefore, it is important to ensure that a receptacle outlet is installed on the countertop in accordance with the NEC requirements. The National Electrical Code provides specific guidelines for the placement and type of receptacles required for countertops. These guidelines are primarily found in Article 210.52, which details the requirements for receptacle outlets in dwelling units. Here's a more detailed breakdown of how these requirements apply to a countertop with a sink. General requirements: countertop receptacles. The NEC mandates that receptacle outlets be installed along countertop surfaces so that no point along the countertop is more than 24 inches, measured horizontally, from a receptacle outlet. This ensures that appliances can be plugged in without the use of extension cords, which can be a safety hazard. Application to a 42-inch countertop. A 42-inch countertop clearly exceeds the 24-inch limit, thus requiring at least one receptacle. However, the specific layout of the countertop, including the location of the sink, can influence the optimal placement of the receptacle. Island and peninsular countertops. If the 42-inch countertop is part of an island or peninsula, the NEC has additional requirements. At least one receptacle outlet is required for each island or peninsula countertop with a long dimension of 24 inches or greater and a short dimension of 12 inches or greater. This receptacle must be located within the countertop itself, not more than 12 inches below the countertop. Sink considerations. The presence of a sink affects the type of receptacle required. Any receptacle within 6 feet of a sink must have ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI protection. GFCI protection is designed to prevent electrical shocks by detecting imbalances in the electrical current and quickly cutting off power. Placement considerations. Receptacles should be placed to avoid water splashing from the sink. They should also be positioned to minimize the risk of physical damage from items placed on the countertop. Common practice is to install receptacles on the backsplash above the countertop, maintaining the necessary clearance from the sink. Height requirements. While the NEC doesn't specify a precise height for countertop receptacles, they are typically installed a few inches above the countertop surface. This height provides easy access and helps prevent water from entering the receptacle. Exceptions. There are a few exceptions to these requirements, but they are unlikely to apply to a standard kitchen countertop with a sink. For example, a countertop surface that is solely dedicated to a specific appliance, such as a built-in microwave, may not require a separate receptacle. However, such exceptions are limited and must meet specific conditions outlined in the NEC. Practical installation advice. When installing countertop receptacles, it's important to follow all NEC guidelines and local building codes. Consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that the installation is safe and compliant. The electrician can also advise on the best placement of the receptacle based on the specific layout of the countertop and sink. Compliance and safety. Adhering to the NEC requirements for countertop receptacles is crucial for ensuring electrical safety in the kitchen. Proper placement and GFCI protection can significantly reduce the risk of electrical shocks and other hazards. Remember to always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local codes for the most up-to-date requirements. The National Electrical Code is updated every 3 years, so it's essential to refer to the current edition for accurate information. Understanding these NEC requirements ensures a safe and compliant electrical installation for countertops with sinks.